Alright, and welcome to this video. In this video we're gonna talk about the best funded trading account that you can start trading and get founded in 2023. So why funded trading account are better than small live account? For my opinion, is kind of risk-free for your money, and you can leverage your money without thinking and involve any emotional actions with your trading. It's much more harder, of course, to get funded account, but I will give you, for my opinion, my best three for 2023, and we will talk about that. With me in this video, there is my best friend and a very good trader named Raz. Raz, say hello.
Hey guys, thank you. It's good to be here and can't wait to hear what you have in store for us.
All right, so let's move on. So the first website that I will show you is FTMO. This is I think the most how I will say that, like the most trading founded account. That there are a lot of traders in this firm, and there is some good and benefits and some other things that you should know before you choose some of those companies. The second company that we will talk about today is My Forex Funds, MFF, and the last one, Apex Trading. So let's start with the first one, FTMO. Everyone that looking to find some founded to get founded, going to FTMO. Very loyal company, work with a lot of traders, have a lot of testimonials, and have a strong trust in the market. As you can see, if you're gonna choose FTMO for your reason, you're gonna need to pass. First step is the FTMO challenge. The second step is verification, and you're gonna get funded in step 3. Every company have their own balance. You can start to choose to pass the 10k, 25, 50, 100, and 200. After that, if you are a very good trader, you can go ahead and get another more money for your trading account. But for that specific video, I will not speak about that. So let's move on and talk about that. Here in FTMO, I will start with with what you should know. I think FTMO, it's one of the hardest challenges in the market because there is a lot of rules that you cannot, there is like do and not to do. So here you need to get, you get, for example, 10k, and then in the first 30 days, and you have like plus 14, but let's say 30 days, you need to raise to trade and make, let's see, profit target 10% is $1,000. So, and before you lose 10%, before you lose $1,000, and then after you finish this one, the first step, you need to do for again $500 and not to lose $1,000. So in the first step, you need to trade and make 10% before you lose 10%. And in the second step, you need to make 5% before you lose 10%. It sounds easy, but it's very hard. Very, very hard. So if you will choose, no matter for what reason, to go and try to do the test for funding the account, I will I don't want to use any word that will not fit here, but I want to say that if you will not pass the 10K, you will not pass the 200K. So try to spend less as you can in your first test until you raise the money, and then after you raise and get paid, you can move on to the other test. Because if you will lose here in the 200K, 100K, no matter what, you will lose in the 10K. So don't be like greed and go to spend more money before you did anything. But what you should know about FTMO, FTMO don't let you trade in news if you don't choose the swing account. So if I will choose to go and choose FTMO, I will go only for the swing account. The leverage, I think, is about 1 to 4, I think, something like that. It's not 1 to 100. But they give you to trade news and stuff like that. They give you to stay for the weekend, to trade on the weekend and leave your trading. But if you will go for the evaluation process, evaluation challenge, the regular one, you cannot trade weekend, and you cannot trade news. You will fail the challenge, and you will fail the if you already have funding account, you will fail. They will take it back if you will trade any news if you are not in the swing account. So beware to know that before you going to spend any money here, of course. So let's move on and talk about MFF. MFF is kindly the same in the process, but here the most effective change is that you need to raise 8% before you lose 8% in the first step. And let's see, let's choose, for example, this is the evaluation. Let's click learn more and see that. So the phase 1, you will need to raise 8% and then 5%. Is the same, is not the same as FTMO. Here you need only 8%, and in the second phase is 5%. But is the same. If you lose 8%, you are losing the is not allow rule. But what you should know about FTMO and MFF, you have a daily drawdown. You cannot lose 5% of your trading account from your unrealized profit. So if, for example, I have a 10K account, found in the account, even if I am on the demo account or on the live account, if I am already in $500, for example, if I have the 10K, if I am already on $500 in a trade and I am winning, but I don't know why, from some reason, in the same day, I lost the trade. It hit my stop loss, or I lost 5%. Even if it, from my unrealized profit, from my profit that I'm already in the trade, I will lose the account, and I will lose the challenge. So
Meaning, if you set your stop loss to get you out of the trade at $600 loss, it would automatically bounce you out of the trade once you hit the 500 mark. Yes, it won't
you
let you
will
lose the
you will
$600.
no, you will lost the challenge. You will.
Okay,
This is one of the
even if it's
rules.
not realized.
Even if it's not realized, and they count from day to day. So if, for example, I open a trade yesterday and I was in $500 unrealized profit in midnight, and today after midnight I lost those $500 unrealized profit, I will lose the challenge,
Oh, okay.
and I
But
will
if you
lose
booked the
the.
profit, meaning if I had a $1K profit and I booked it,
So
meaning I
so
took
every
profit.
so every day you should go inside your analytics account and see how you open, what is the number that was in your account midnight. So for example, if I was in unrealized profit or realized, it doesn't matter, is the same in midnight, for example 10 I don't know, 20K or 10 and a half, it doesn't matter. The maximum lose that I can do in the same day is 5%. So I need to check it every day if I have already open a trade, or if it's good to check it every day, you know?
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, so you should know that, but you can trade here in news. You can trade in news. You can make money in news, but news, you know, many traders are. Some are. It doesn't matter if you're good or not good in trading. In news, there is a lot of manipulation, so you should be careful. Even if I am trading in my Forex funding, in this website, I don't trade any big news. Why? They give you to trade news, but what you should know, they will not you will not fail the test, and you will not fail your live account, even if you trade news, and even if you trade in the weekends. You can do that, but they say that they will not respect, they not have to respect your stop loss if you trade news. So if your limit order that you are not in the trade, but your limit order are very close to the price that we already in, your trade will you will get insight to the trade, but they don't have to respect your stop loss. I hear a lot of traders that lost the account and lost their challenge only because they are a very good trader, but MFF didn't respect their stop loss because the news. So beware that if there is a huge news, I don't know, some CPI, PPI, some rate, some Jerome Powell speaks, I don't know, something that can move the market very hard. Beware to use limit order that close to the same price. But if you're already in the market and your stop loss are far away, you can be more, you can feel better. So if you know that news are very important to you because you use them for some reason, and you want to leave your I don't know, your trading to in weekend for some days, and you care, you don't, I don't know, you forget about news for some days, and you can't check any news. I will choose MFF because FTMO, it's much more harder. Like here, if you I don't know, choose to trade news, and you lost the trade, or lost for some reason, it's not half that your challenge, you failed the challenge, or you failed the your account. It's not have to be, but if you choose to do that in FTMO, you will fail. You will fail the live account, you will fail the demo, you will fail the challenge. So if it's something that you can that I can control, for example, I don't know any, like, for in some mornings I don't check the news because I forgot or something, so I don't want to trade in some firm that I will fail if for some reason I will forget that there is some huge news. But you will learn it on your trading account. So here as well, you can choose from 5k to 300k, but of course start from little and then move on to the next challenge, because if you will not pass the 5k or 10k, you will not pass the 50, 100, 200 and 300. So of course, beware to check that. Raz, everything was explained well until now?
Yes, and I think that, like, looking at these stats, we can all assume that, like, managing your risks as a trader, as a funded account trader, means a lot more than losing, like, your own capital. There are, like, two sides of the coin. One is like telling you, okay, you can take a risk because it's not your balance, and if you lose, you won't lose your own money. Meaning, talking about like a couple of grands. But on the other side, it's like some of the traders may have not encountered these sorts of balances and amounts to trade with, which can like definitely kind of disturb the vision or the feeling of responsibility a trader should have when it comes to the charts. So
Yeah.
these are the two main things that I keep in mind when I see funded trades accounts, and that's basically it, in my opinion. I'm waiting to hear the third one.
Alright, so the last one for this video, and if you would like to see more about funding account, please make sure to leave a comment and like this video and share this video with your lovers and with your trading friends, and tell us more what you would like to see and hear. So for the
I also would
one,
like, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I would like to ask you one thing. Does, like, if I want to try and get tested for a funded account,
yeah.
do I need to pay? Like, how is this working? Do I need to pay them to go through the challenges, or do they
Of
just give me
course.
free money?
Of course, for the challenge, you will get if you're gonna do the test of the challenge. Of course, you will pay for each one. For example, here to pass the 10k, you will let's see how much is cost. Let's go for the pricing.
Oh, okay. Maybe I saw it. If you
Yeah,
go
this
down
is
a
the
little. Yeah,
refundable fees, but this is not a price. Let's check. evaluation. Let's go to evaluation. Let's for some reason they
Okay, here it is. It says that
here, for example, let's go to the MFF. To pass the 5K, you will pay $50, 10K 84, 140, 300, 500, almost 1,000 and 1,318 89. But in I'm sure that in FTMO you have that demo account that you can do, and in MFF I'm not sure, but here as well there is like a demo account as well. So if you're a new trader or something, you don't have to pay start to pay, but you can do the go to MT4 and try and do the demo account, just to open a demo account and try that on your trading with your trading strategy.
Yeah, for those who doesn't have the experience, it won't be wise to just spend their own hard-working money on something they will eventually not pass because they lack the experience to do so. So
even if you have any experience, don't go for the 300k just from the start. Even if you see any traders on Instagram and TikTok, whatever, go for the little as much as you can, because this is a risk management as well, because this is like a trade. Because if you pass the evaluation, the last evaluation, this is like a winning trade. You cannot win any trade, so use your brain to make more money. Don't use your greed emotional actions to do that and go, oh, I'm a very good trader, let's go to the 100k from the start and lose $500. Not because you're not good trader, because those companies want your money. For one reason you get funded account, but for the other side, you funding the company with your money, with your evaluation challenges. You funding the company as well, because so they will even not only the market wants your money, that company, any funded company wants your money as well for the challenge. So beware to start from little. So I will move on to the last one, because I am very excited to show you Apex trading. Until now, most of the trading in FTMO, you can see the currency that you can trade in my FTMO, my Forex funding as well. You can trade gold, and there is where you can trade. Let's go to the evaluation here. Just for the what you can trade, I saw that get paid free. I saw that I forgot where, but you can trade any pairs of Forex here. But here in Apex, there is a lot of different stuff here. So I will go, for example, here there is you can choose from 25 to let's see 300. Okay, but here you pay monthly, and every month you get one try of challenge. If you will want to do reset for your account, because I don't know, for some reason you fail, you can do that in, let's see if there is the price for, they don't say here the price, but it's I think don't get, I think it's less than the price 100% for now, but I think it's kind of half of the price to reset. But if you're gonna choose here, don't do the reset, because I will tell you some very good secret, because if you will go, if you will sign up and go to check the Instagram of Apex Trading, you can get in every couple of months they give you some 90% of coupon, 90, 80, 50% of coupon. So don't pay the any price here is less than half. But here you can trade in weekends, you can trade news, but because you don't trade the same, you trade here in futures, all right? You can trade in only futures here. So it's about, if it's the Dow Jones, so is the mini Dow Jones, is the mini Nasdaq. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can trade here Bitcoin, but is the future of Bitcoin, like is the micro Bitcoin, this is the chart MBT, not BTC USDT on, I don't know. You can trade Ethereum. You can trade E-mini Dow Jones. You can trade E-gold, E-mini gold. You can trade silver. But every trading chart is on the future, and you can see here which are the exchanges. So for the different here in FTMO and MFF, you cannot see you cannot go to TradingView and see which are the exchange that they taking the price from. So it's kind of a problem because you need to use your trading analysis software, for example TradingView, and go to check the prices in the chart of MT4. Here you can go ahead and trade with different. There is Rhythmic and Ninja Trader, but if you will choose the second one, TradeVote, you can go to connect TradeVote with TradingView, that you can open trading from your TradingView. So you can open orders from TradeVote. So if you will choose here, just I think wait for the 80 or 90% coupon and start. You pay, I don't know, about $19 for the first account, and then you get 19% for the 50 account for any account. And then in the next months, if you want to do to move on to pay for the second month, and you will get another challenge. You will get 80%, and for the third, for the fourth, for every other month you will get the 80%. So wait for the 90% coupon to try that. If you will choose to do with the Apex Trading, what you need to know here, the different here, you have a trailing threshold. So what is that? Here you need to raise 300k in the 50k challenge. You need to get just one phase, not two. You need to raise 3,000 before you lose 2,500. But here you don't have any daily drawdown. You only have one rule. Don't leave any limit orders and open orders after 11:45. Like when future market are closed, your trade will be closed. Don't leave it open. When you open the trade, close it in the same day. This is a day trading firm. When you open a trade, be sure to leave it there and close the trade. Don't leave trade for next day or whatever. But here, what you should know, this is, you don't need to do some to raise, I don't know, 8%, 10%, whatever. Here only $3,000 from 50k, so it's about, I think, 6%, and before you lose 5%. But what you should know, this is a trailing stop, so from your unrealized profit. So if I will in a good trade and I will have, for example, I don't know, profit of 2,500, my trailing stop will be raised 2,500. So it's, for example, if I will, I don't know, make $1,000, my trailing stop raising $1,000. So right now I will have my final stop will be 2,500 from my unrealized profit. You need to check every day, but you only need to do to make 6% on your full account, and after you will have finish this, and you will have the live account, and you will make I don't know, 5k, 10k, whatever. The trailing threshold will stop after 5 or 6%. So if you will make I don't know, $5,000, $10,000, your stop loss will be stopped on 50,000 and 52, I think 52 and a half, or 53. I think, let's say 53,000, between 52 to 50, 53 to 52 and a half. Because there is like every check the rules when you see when you go to check the rules, and you will see that in your, for example, if you go to the TradeView vote, you will see what I'm talking about. But if you go to and check and choose to go and trade on Apex Trading, you should know that do like little by little. Or you can be aggressive if you have like a multi-account and you choose not to go for the, I don't know, 3,000. You choose to and buy many 50k, and for the next month you can cancel the subscription. You don't need, for example, you choose to buy, I don't know, 10 accounts to, I don't know, to risk management is because there is like a good coupon, because this is like less of the price from all the evaluation companies. After you can be more aggressive in some of the accounts, like you can I don't know, try to risk half percent or 1% from your account to take 1 to 6 or something like that, and you will pass the account. But you should know that after you finish and you after you finish the goal, you will need to pay to get the account. So even if you use the 185 or you get coupon of 90%, of 80%, 50%, no matter what, after you finish the goal, you will need to pay to get the live account. So for example, to get the 50k right now, when I'm doing the video, if you will buy with a 90% coupon, for example, in $19, and you will pass it, to get the real account is you will pay about $160, but is your live account, and this is your asset. You don't need to have to trade every day. You don't have to trade anymore. It's yours. Do whatever you would like to do. But be sure when you go, for example, for FTMO, be sure to know that the news are. In news and weekends you cannot trade. In MFF you can trade in weekends and in news, but they will not have to respect your stop loss. So there is like, if there is like a huge gap or something, you can lose. So beware to check that. And here in Apex Trading, the last one, you need to look on the trailing threshold every day to know what is your stop loss, what is the last price that you can lose. But I think if I will choose any of those, I will try MFF if I'm thinking to trade the Forex regular pairs. But if I don't care and I can watch those and trade those, this is like the future are much more easy for my opinion. But you can try and go check the any of those just to see if it's work for you. If you go, you can go here even in Forex, but it's the micro AUD USD. This is the chart, not the regular chart, but you can trade from TradingView, so this is like much more easy. So that was a long video, but I think it's helps for some of you to know what to choose and what not to do in those accounts. But for my opinion, just go to do some tests. It's very nice, it's very good. It will improve your trading skills. It will take your trading skills from, I don't know, from 5 to 100. So every traders that passed the evaluation, no matter where, is a very good trader. But beware that the statistics are against you. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and